Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a very fun video because it is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I did want to do a video like this for all of my lovely dark-skinned melanin queens out there. This is our month, baby, Black History Month, melanin poppin' black girl magic. And as you guys see, I have some very magical lips to match my magical moment. So today I will be sharing some of my favorite red lipsticks and red lip combinations with you guys for Valentine's Day. I have a gloss, I have a matte lip, and I have this very fun glittery lip. I will give you guys all the details on it because I know you guys are like, girl, what is on your lips? It is just shining. I'm pretty sure you can't pay attention to nothing else but my lips right now, and I can completely understand. So if you guys want to see some of my favorite red lipsticks for us melanin queens for Valentine's Day, then you're definitely going to want to continue to watch. And if you haven't already, make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget about Snapchat because I'm on there on a daily basis. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Westside, bank head, they want from everything y'all did. It been done. My true game, my shoe game. Can't touch this shit. Bitch that hollering about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch. What you wanna do here? Bitch, I'ma fuck like Rubel. Still working on getting cool clear. Ain't got none of my shoe girl. Red on the bottom right there, red. Some shit I'm out of my hair, red. Bitch, you ugly and bitch, you ugly. Both y'all hoes are scary. I don't wanna get married. Chick, you a bird, parry. I eat so good, these hoes like boy, get fat, eat salad. On round and round, no knees, no blanket. That's your main bitch with my dick, shit, she ain't nothing. You like? Her heel fast, see walk past me like she. See my Baltimore, she try to touch that, I said, bitch. I bang hoes, riding in drop top rain road. I train hoes, on pimp, Trinidad chain clothes. Inside, bank head, they want phone. Everything y'all did, it been done. My true game, my shoe game. You can't touch that shit. Bitch that hollering about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Bitch that hollering about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Bitch that hollering about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch.
Okay, you guys, so that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day, and if you don't, still go out and slay the night with your friends and look amazing and possibly get a Valentine for next year. I did want to share this video with you guys because I know there are a lot of misconceptions when it comes to dark-skinned women wearing red lipstick, and I wanted to do something fun at the end because I felt like who wants to just do plain red lipstick? Like, this is for the girls that are going to be single that night because obviously you're not going to kiss your boo with glitter lips, but if you did want to make a statement, or if you're going to like a Valentine's Day party or something like that, I think this would be really cute and it'll definitely steal the night. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.